Dune Buggy Volkswagen Beetles, Ultimate Off-Road Experience. Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I will give you a quick overview on Dune Buggy Volkswagen Beetles. Dune buggies first emerged in the late 1950s when people started modifying Volkswagen Beetle chassis to make lightweight off-road vehicles. The iconic Myers-Manx kit car really popularized Dune buggies in the 1960s. Dune buggies are known for their lightweight tube frame chassis, open cockpit design, large tires, high ground clearance and off-road capabilities. They excel at navigating sandy terrain like beaches and deserts. If you want to build your own, the Volkswagen Beetle chassis is a great platform to start with. Shorten the chassis, add a roll cage, upgrade the suspension and tires. Make sure to take all safety precautions. Make sure to check regulations in your state and area. Don't forget regular maintenance like oil changes, replacing air filters, spark plugs, etc. Watch for issues like overheating or electrical problems. There are also rules for off-roading on public lands. Don't forget regular maintenance like oil changes, replacing air filters, spark plugs, etc. Watch for issues like overheating or electrical problems. The Dune Buggy community is all about racing, recreation and customization. There are many clubs and events for enthusiasts to get together. Dune Buggy Beetles offer a thrilling off-road experience. For more tips and info, visit our website dunebuggyofficial.com. Link in the description.